Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing only what's required. Allow notifications and Siri to speak for the app. Once done, open shortcuts and choose automation. Make a personal automation for messages. Pick when IRC iMessage or limit to a contact. This defines when your phone will speak. Make sure to toggle off Ask before running for seamless action. These first steps let you capture incoming messages and hand off to the action that will say the word without extra tapping. Next, add the actual speak action. Tap Add Action, choose Scripting and then Speak Text. Type the single word notification as the text to play. Once added, expand the action and choose a voice, speaking rate, and language so it sounds natural. Use a slower rate if clarity matters and test different voices. After that, attach any conditional logic. For example, only run when focus is off, so the spoken cue only happens when you want it. This is the heart of the setup. Finish by disabling Ask before running and saving the automation. Now send a test message to trigger it. Make sure volume and system sounds are up and Siri permission is granted. If nothing speaks, confirm focus or do not disturb isn't muting announcements, and verify shortcuts has permission to run in the background. Remember, this method reliably covers messages and some supported apps. For other apps, repeat the per app automation. If it still fails, restart the phone and
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.